1972, my Camaro's pride, but German laws won't let it ride. No registration or water pipe, so we're heading north into the night. Biogas in the tank, we're on our way.
Getting started with the trip, but this air gas system or biogas or whatever for the cars is not always that reliable. Google tells you to go to wrong places, so I wasted already time and there's a lot of traffic jams, so hopefully I make it to the Travemünde in time. But let's see, now I'm getting gas to the Camaro, so it actually can drive with CNG or biogas, which is pretty cool. So I made it to the ferry barely. It's supposed to be there at midnight and I was there 10 minutes before midnight, so kind of a last moment.
And again, I had some problems. The app that I usually use to find these stations didn't work, and I use it so rarely that it's every time kind of learning. And yeah, lost a lot of time looking for the stations. Even though I really planned to leave early, I was 10 minutes before the deadline on the queue to the ferry and had to drive pretty fast. But luckily the weather was nice and there was not that much traffic, so
Doesn't matter how early I leave, something always happens. So again, this time it was trying to find the CNG gas, and weird thing about, or one difference between Germany and Finland is that Google Maps in Germany gives me very positive time scale, and I always fail it by several hours, and in Finland it's the opposite. But yeah, now here Camaro is parked. I have some cold beers with me, and I think I will hit the sauna in the ferry. Good morning from the boat or ferry. I think I will head now for a coffee and after that to a massage. So let's then get some introduction to this ferry. Okay, so there's a cafe there, and when you go past it, you will arrive to the sauna area. There's an area for women, this door, and the next door is for men, and next to it is the massage place. And previous night I already booked time for the massage, so while I'm there, let's take a look at the ship itself. So here's the sauna area for the men, and you have the showers there, a door to the deck, and jacuzzi with a pretty nice view. It is nice there to sit and relax after driving. And yeah, the sauna also has a window for the view, and it's pretty nice sauna. And yeah, having a cold beer there, looking at the sea, it's nice. But you can also do some exercise. So there's a gym, although it's pretty tiny. There's a mirror, it looks bigger than it is, and I didn't get keys, so I didn't go in. And if you want to play some other games, there's this slot machines, so you can do some gambling if you like that. And to the left, behind those curtains, there's a interesting place, so let's take a look at it next. These are the reclining chairs. If you want to save money and not take room in sleep, you can actually sleep on those, but I really don't recommend it. So let's go then to the shop, and they have all kinds of stuff for the tourists. It's not huge, but yeah, alcohol there, and yeah, I noticed something right there next to the door, and that's the Glühwein. I really like it, so I bought 2 bottles. and that was maybe I should have bought more. So there's more of this tourist stuff and cosmetics, and then some books and some clothing stuff and toys. I think here's toys. Behind there in the corner with the clothing, I saw something interesting. So let's take a look. That bag, I like it. It's pretty cool, old style I think, but something I like, and it's a shame I didn't buy it. But let's move forward. So there's the alcohol area, and there was something that I was actually looking for. So this light blue boxes of long drink, Lonkero. I bought 2 boxes, and more of that later. So here are the prices, and the thing is that the taxes for alcohol in Finland are insane, so you get tax free from here. Yeah, there's also some area for kids to play, and then some food. You can get some snacks like sandwiches there, and juice and salads, and there's actually a restaurant also for you can get brunch and lunch and dinner, and I took the lunch. The following day I went for the lunch, and it's basically the same as in many Scandinavian hotels, so it's a buffet with a lot of different stuff. And then there's this bar area, and sadly the bar desk is there, but it's closed, so let's move forwards. But it's pretty nice. You can get some drinks and sit and look at the sea. And in the end of this corridor, there's this cafe and entrance to this to the deck. But above the bar, I want to show you this one more place. It's another place with this recliner chair. If you don't want to spend money for the room, which I totally recommend, because I have been sleeping on this floor here to save money when we're traveling with the car, and it was not nice. I can't recommend it, so let's move forwards and go to the deck. So here's the deck, and the deck chairs, such things there. And here are some details about the ship.
1972, my Camaro's pride, but German laws won't let it ride. No registration or water plight, so we're heading north into the night. Biogas in the tank, we're on our way. From Deutschland to Suwame, come what may. Can't keep her here, it's not allowed. To Finland we go, engines loud. Autobahn to Travemünde shore, Finnmaid Ferry, ocean to explore. Helsinki harbor comes in sight. Arctic Circle is our final sight.
And here you can see the deck 11 is basically the one that has the bar and the restaurant and the cafe and the sauna and the gym and the shop and basically everything. So it's not a huge ship, but yeah. So now let's take a look at the room. So I had 4 beds just for one person. It's a nice clean small room, and with the bathroom, with shower and whatever you need there in the toilet. Everything very clean, nice. You have a TV and electric sockets there, and I had some extra because I had brought my own fridge. So what did I bring with me?
Cheap traveler eats yesterday's cold pizza. Amazing. Well, the prices on the ships are not that cheap, and yeah, I'll wait until I get to Helsinki. Ah, the brunch. Great. The announcements come in Finnish, English, German, maybe something else. But yeah, I think I saved my appetite for 30 hours to Helsinki and go there for something nice, maybe some dumplings. Last time I found a nice place there, so now it's enjoy. Okay, guten Appetit. I guess also in Russian. Massage. That I can accept. Oh, in French. Very international. Bon appétit. Okay, that was all.
They say it's tax evasion if I stay, but I say it's freedom the Finnish way. No more bureaucratic fights on the Northern Lights. We'll find our rights through bio rights, through forests deep and lakes so blue. My Camaro's finding somewhere new. Whose ammo's calling wild and free, where classic cars can truly be.